Good morning friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In the last video, I have discussed the basics of SQL. I hope you have watched that video. In this video, I want to discuss how to install SQL Plus on Windows 10 platform. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First we need to download it. Okay, if you want to download it, you need to enter this URL. Okay, I will provide this URL in the description. So you need to click on the download. Okay, so the size of this one is 624 MB. Okay, so I will click on download anyway. We'll just wait for some time. Now you can observe the file has been downloaded. Let me click on show on folder. Okay, now you can see the downloads will be open. Now what you can do, you can right click on this one and say extract all. Okay, then it is asking select a destination and extract files. Okay, let me click on extract. So it is taking some time to extract the files. Now you can observe the file is about to complete. The extraction has been completed. Now you can double click on this one. You can see there is setup.exe file. Right click on this exe file. Okay, then go to the show more options. Okay, then go to the properties. If you go to the properties, then you can see compatibility. Click on the compatibility and then you can see change settings for all users. Click on this change settings for all the users. Then you can see compatibility mode. If you can see the compatibility mode, there is an option called run this program in compatibility mode for. Click on this one. As I said earlier, now click on this run this program compatibility mode for. Now you can see this one, the compatibility. Okay, if you are using Windows 8 or Windows 10, then you have to use the Service Pack 3. If you are using Windows 7 operating system, then you have to use the Service Pack 2. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to the setup.exe. As we are using the Windows 10, then let me click on the Service Pack 3. So Windows XP Service Pack 3. Okay, then let me click on the apply. Okay, then again I will click on the OK. Now I will go to this database folder. Then I will double click on this setup.exe file. Okay, now you can see the Oracle database 10z installation has been started. You can see there are two types of installation. One is basic installation and another one is advanced installation. Now we will go for the basic installation only. Then it is telling in which location it is going to install and what is the installation type. It is installing enterprise edition. Okay, then you have to give the password here. Give the password as tiger in lowercase. Okay, so here I am providing the database password as tiger and in the confirm password also I have provided as tiger. The spelling is TIGER. You need to remember this one. Okay, then click on the next button. Okay, it is starting the installation process. It will ask us to wait for some amount of time. Okay, now you can see product specific prerequisite checks. Then just go for next. Okay, then it is asking some recommended prerequisite checks have failed. You might get errors during installation. Do you want to proceed? Just click on yes. Okay, then you can observe here. Okay, it is asking allow access. Yes, we will allow. Okay, then it is asking you, see, look at here, summary Oracle 10 database 10z. Okay, just click on install. Now you can see the installation process has been started. You can see here installation in progress, then setup pending, configuration pending. All this one will complete for few minutes. So I request you to wait for some amount of time, and it will depend on your hardware also how much time it will take. Now you can observe the install is successful. Now it is set up in Oracle Remote Configuration Agent 10.2.0.1.0. Now you can observe several windows will open. Just you need to click on cancel. Okay, look at here, there are several Windows pages have been opened. Just you need to click on cancel. Okay, cancel all this one, don't install anything. Okay, I have cancelled everything. Okay, now you can see Oracle Database Configuration Assistant in progress. Now it is copying database files, then it is creating and starting Oracle instance. Now it is going for completing database creation. Now you can see this windows will be opened, Database Configuration Assistant. There you can see a button called Password Management. Click on this Password Management. Now the Password Management windows has been opened. There are several usernames are there. Okay, like SYS, system, okay, and then you can see XDB, all these things. There you need to find for the Scott and HR. Okay, yeah, you can observe here there is a Scott and HR. All these accounts has been, or all these usernames have been locked. First you need to unlock this Scott and give the new password. I will give the password as Tiger, and the confirm password is also Tiger. Similarly, I will unlock the user called HR, and I will give the password as Tiger, and confirm password is also Tiger. Then I will click on OK and OK. Now you can see end of installation. Then you can see here installed products, help, back, exit. Click on the exit button. Okay, it will ask you, do you really want to exit? Click on yes. Okay, once you click on that one, it will open the Oracle Enterprise Manager in the default browser. Just close this one. Now what you need to do, click on Windows button and type here as SQL Plus. Okay, you can see the SQL Plus app, and then you can see here various options are coming. Open, run as administrator, open file location, pin to start, pin to taskbar, uninstall. Click on open file location. Okay, then where it has been installed, their file location will be given for you. You can see SQL Plus. Right click on this one, go to the show more options, properties. Okay, just you need to go for the properties only. Then you can see security, details, previous versions, general, shortcut, compatibility. Click on the compatibility. Okay, then you can see change settings for all users. Click on this one, and then there will be an option called run this program as an administrator. Okay, this is currently not clicked. Just you need to click this one, or you need to select this one. And similarly you can see run this program in compatibility mode for, okay, it is Windows XP Service Pack 2. Okay, keep that one. Just click on apply. Okay, okay, okay. Then what you can do, again you can open the SQL Plus. You clicked on the Oracle SQL Plus app, it will open this window and it will ask you username and password. Give the username as Scott and password as Tiger. Host string you can leave it empty, and then click on OK. Now you can see connected to Oracle Database 10Z Enterprise Edition. Okay, production with partitioning, like this it will come. Okay, now you can see the SQL Plus has been successfully installed. If you want to see, okay, what are the existing tables are there, just you have to give the command as select star from tab. Now these are the various tables are there like DEPT, EMP, bonus, okay, sal grade, okay, and you can see all of them are tables. If you want to retrieve the information, or if you want to perform any commands, then you can use these existing tables. Okay, if you want, I will write, let me use the recommendation capital letters. Okay, select star from, okay, I will give DEPT. Now you can see there is a department number, department name, and LOC. Department number is 10, 20, 30, 40. Department name is accounting, research, sales, operation. Now you can observe one thing. In the last class I have discussed we will have the attributes and the tuples will be there. Now how many attributes are there? 3 attributes are there. So I can say this department table degree is 3. Then what about the number of tuples? 4 tuples are there. Okay, I hope you have understood the installation process of SQL Plus. If you still have any doubts related to the installation process, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.